Thank you for tuning in to lesson 1.3. You should go ahead and have notes out for this and write down everything that you deem important. This will be for grade the next time you're in class. So 1.3 is all about how can you use linear functions to model and analyze real-life situations. As we go through this, we'll first start with the important information and get you set up to get things done in class. So here are the core concepts. Make sure that you go through and write these down. I'm also going to put the other information that you'll need up now. After you have this information down, let's look at it. So if they give you a slope recognized by the letter M and a y-intercept, which is B, we can plug the equation into slope-intercept form. The letter M stands for the slope, the letter B stands for the y-intercept. However, if they give you a point, x sub 1, y sub 1, and the slope, we've got to use point-slope form to put both the point and the slope into this format. If they give you 2 points, you first use the slope formula to find the letter M. Well, in order to do that, you would do M equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 to first find the slope. So here we have our first example. Obviously to the left, we have a graph that says asteroid 2012 DA14, and we can read the graph shows the distance asteroid 2012 DA14 travels in X number of seconds. So seconds is on the bottom x-axis, and the distance is in miles. It says write an equation and interpret the slope. Okay, well, we know that it's going up, and we know that we need to write an equation. It starts at 0, 0. That would be our first point, and we can have another nice little neat point on 5, 24. So the first thing you should do is y sub 2, 24, minus 0, which would be 24, over y sub 1, or over x sub 2, which is 5, over 0, which would be 5. So this is my slope, and my intercept is 0. So we could plug it into the y equals mx plus b form. Slope, intercept. Slope, intercept. So the final equation is y equals 4.8x, which means the asteroid is going to travel 4.8 miles per second. So in order to figure out how long it takes to travel 17,200 miles, like it asks here, we must say, well, the total distance is our y value. We should replace that with 17,200 equals 4.8x. Divide by 4.8 using inverse operations, and you find out that it takes 3,583 seconds for it to travel 17,200 miles. So about 1 hour. For your homework tonight, you're to do 2 things. Make sure that you have all the notes written down, and I want you to complete this problem. The graph shows the remaining balance on a car loan after making X number of payments. Write an equation of the line and interpret the slope and the y-intercept. To find the slope, you would use this point and this point, since those are clean points. x1, y1, x2, y2. Plug that in the slope format, find M, then we know that it crosses at 18, so that's our B. Please complete this on your paper and have it ready for Monday.